Hey, how's it going? Just out here playing in the bush. I got a little bit of footage, but unfortunately my engine check light came on. So I got to head home, but I did get some content for you to watch. Please, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. That'd be awesome. I'm a tiny little channel, and I just want to get out there and let people see some stuff. If they enjoy it, awesome. If not, well, just pass on by. But anyways, thank you so much, and hopefully you will enjoy, because it really brings me a lot of peace being out here, and I'm just trying to share that with everybody. Anyhow, cheers.